Hey there, lift yourself up virtual dance party. This is Robert Cotnoir of Grapefruit Sound Lab, and I'm playing the full-length version of the Robert Cotnoir Dave Gaudin mix of my hit single Don't Fall For It by Grapefruit Sound Lab and Amuka. Immediately following, I'll be playing the world premiere video of A Song About Freedom by Grapefruit Sound Lab and Amuka featuring Sarah Naughton, who might both be showing up in a bit to say hello. Special thanks to Dave Gaudin in Montreal, Andrew Sinowick in LA on electric guitar, Sarah Naughton, and to the one and only Amuka, who you may be meeting shortly. But first, a special thank you to Maha Jera, Stonewall Columbus, and Equality Ohio for inviting me here today. Please stay healthy, stay safe and sane, and please follow us on social media. Grapefruit Sound Lab and Amuka. Don't fall for it.
You wreck yourself and that's it. And I know that's what you're really wishing for me to say, but this time around, you sad-faced clown, I don't give a shit. Oh no! Don't fall for it, don't play with it. I tell you one more time cause I fell for it. Don't fall for it, don't mess with it. It'll mess with your mind, almost does it every time. Don't fall for it, don't play with it. If I tell you one more time cause I fell for it. No more comment, flim, taking matters in my hand now. It's finally time to understand. And now I'm a little bit older now, a little bit bolder now, a little bit leaner, a little bit meaner, a little bit wiser now. Another day going down, another way comes around. Now that you found love is what it's all about. This is Amuka, and I am so happy to tell you about the next record with Grapefruit Sound Lab. It's a song about freedom, and it's so timely right now since we're all realizing that freedom is really important, and we want you to feel joy and happiness during this time. We know we're all locked down, but it won't be forever, so hopefully this will inspire you to stay strong, stay in love, and we love you. God bless.
Hey guys, I'm Sarah. I'm the featured artist on A Song About Freedom. It's a great song and it has a great message, so I'm so excited for you guys to have a chance to listen.